Welcome back, everybody. This is Steve KM9G, and we're going to play with the Xiegu XP125B amplifier. Shh. Nobody's home today, and I stole Leah's Earchi 9-to-1 antenna. Smokin' Ape gave her that one, and if you look at Smokin' Ape's build on that antenna and you look at Leah's build on that antenna, somebody did a little bit better job on it. I'll just leave it at that one. They're going to be linked in the description down below. This antenna is a 9-to-1 random wire antenna, and it is good for 40 through 6. And I've got it strung up in a tree outside in a vertical orientation. I've got it run through the shack, and I'm trying my best to make this thing require tuning. I was going to say I'm trying my best to make it tunable, but any antenna is tunable. I've got the 9-to-1 with no counterpoise. I've got a SO239 to BNC adapter. I'm running RG174 coax with BNC adapters on the end. At the other end of it, I have a BNC to PL259 adapter to plug into the back of the amplifier. The amplifier runs into the 705 with some RG8X, and then there's the 705. I'm going to do my test work on RTTY. I'm going to find a quiet portion of the band, and then I'm going to do just enough tuning to make it happen. Because my antenna doesn't match, I can't identify while I'm doing the tune-up part, and I will do the station identification. That's it. I'll do the station identification where I say I'm KM9G, and I'll cut that out for time consideration so I don't waste everybody's time here. So stick around for that. All right, you guys remember the Xiegu XPA125B amplifier. Today we're going to take a look at how well the tuner works. I am using the Earchi 9-to-1 random wire antenna. Let's look up real quick off camera what the bands are that this thing uses. Alright, this is a 6 through 40 meter antenna, and so we happen to be on 40 meters already, and the band appears to be pretty dead. And we are not in tune anyway, so there's not much that I can do. If we key this thing up, I'm going to switch this thing over to RTTY mode, and right now I'm only testing the tuner, so I'm going to test it at 5 watts. Alright, so if we key up, we can see that the SWR on the 705 is above 3, and down here it is 6.0-ish. So what we want to do is we want to turn the tuner on, and then it changes over to say that it's on when we do that. And then the next thing that we need to do is key up, and then we push and hold the antenna tune button for 3 seconds to get the tuner running. And what we've done now is we went from a 6.0 match to 1.5, 1.5. So both of those meters read correctly. So that's fantastic. The next band down is going to be 30 meters, and on 30 meters we are going to do the same kind of test. We're going to turn the antenna tuner off. You have to hold it for a little while to turn it off also, and that gets a little confusing, but if you push it and it doesn't work and then you hold it and it does work, you kind of get used to it. So where are we right now? We are at a little under 2-to-1 on the radio and 1.9. So 1.9 here, 1.9 there. That's pretty close. Let's turn the tuner back on. We're on. Let's key up. And a quick match gets us down to 1.4, 1.4, 1.4. Awesome. So next band is 20. Alright, let's turn the tuner off. Where are we? We are we're over 3 something there, and we're 6.9 there. So let's turn the tuner back on. Key up and tune. And we are 1.2, 1.2. Excellent. Next band. 17 meters. Alright, we're off on the tuner. 2.5 and 2.5. Turn the tuner back on. All right, we hit 1.2. 1.2, excellent. Next band. 21. Somebody's there. Tuner off. 1.2, 1.2. We're already tuned. Let's see if the tuner is going to do us any better. Nope, tuner's happy. 1.1. So we got 0.1 of a change on that band. What's up next? 24. You can hear the relay clicking inside. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but you can hear the relay click when you hit the tuner button there. And we're at 1.1 already, so the tuner's not going to do us any better on there. We already know. So 28. 1.5. Let's try 1.5. Nope, tuner's already happy at 1.5. Next up. 6 meters. This is the last of the tunable bands on this guy. So let's test this one out. 2.5, 3.8. So there's a little bit of a mismatch there. Let's turn the tuner on. All right, 1.3. 1.3 there. Pretty lightweight scale. Doesn't even register 1.0 on the 705's meter. One of the things that I have not done on this is I have not changed the band down here because I'm not doing any type of amplifier work. Let's change this down and see if that makes any difference. All right, we're on the 6 meter band. The auto tuner is off. We're at 2.5 to 1, 3.8 it says there. Let's put the auto tuner back in place. 1.3 and 1, so that didn't change anything there. And just for grins, let's go all the way back up to 40 meters. Change this band to 40. And we're at 6-ish right there, and red on the 705. Let's turn the tuner on. Key down. Tune up. All right, and it sounds like, because it went through all of that tuning process again, it sounds like there is no memory in this tuner, or if there is, it doesn't work very well. So either way, it still tunes the thing. I think that's pretty slick. Alright everybody, thanks for watching this one here. YouTube thinks that you will like these other videos over here, so take a look at those guys, and thanks for being awesome.